Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about Skyward, which is also called Family Access. This is a great way for you to check your students' grades, see messages from teachers, find out about upcoming assignments, or also set up automatic notifications. So the first thing you need to do is to log in, and you can find the login on the Stanwood Camino School District webpage. So here's their web address up here, stanwood.wednet.edu. And once you go to their webpage, and you can also find this on the school's webpage if that's easier. But once you get to the district webpage or the school's webpage, you're going to find a button or a tab that looks like this that says Skyward, and you're going to click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to get to a login page like this where you can go ahead and log in. If you have forgotten your password, your login information, you're new, you don't have it, there's this little button here that you can click that says forgot your login and password. Then you'll receive a message that's going to, or a prompt that's going to ask you for your email address that you have, and you'll put that in and hit submit. And then you're going to get a message sent to your email that's going to help walk you through that registration. You'll have to make sure to check your junk or spam folder to make sure that it hasn't gone there as well. If for some reason you have some issues, it doesn't work, you're struggling, just please reach out to your school's front office either by phone or by email, and they'll help walk you through that and make sure you're all set up. In addition, students have their own, or they have what's called student access, and their login is typically the first 5 of their last name, first 3 of their first name, followed by 000. So if my name was John Smith, it would be Smith, JOH 000, and then the password is typically their lunch number, and that's in a typical situation. So students can also get on and check their grades and how they're doing as well. So it's a great feature. So once you log into your Family Access, you can see that up at the top you can toggle between your students. You can choose to look at one student at a time, both children, whatever you have, or however many you have there. Okay, on the left, these are your different menu selections, things that you can choose, such as your calendar, grades, attendance, and all this different stuff. So these would take you to all that information about your child. Okay, down here you have, or over here you have your upcoming events, and this is going to tell me what's going on. So when the first day of school is, when an event's going on, and all those different upcoming events. And then in the middle is typically those messages from the teacher. So here are some from last year. Up here under my account, that's where you're going to click in order to set up your notifications. Okay, so that's the next page. So once you click into Skyward, and you're going to click on my account up here at the top that I just showed you. Okay, once you get to that page, you're going to have options here, and there's going to be a thing called email notifications, and you can click that on for your daily attendance that you want to receive emails about your child if they miss class. You can also click to receive progress reports either daily or weekly. Every Saturday morning I get an email about my kids' grades and how they're doing. And then this one's really cool too. You can also get notifications from food service when we're back in school and your kids are buying lunch. It's kind of nice to know when that account's getting low. So there'll be some different notifications that you can choose what you want to set up and what you want to get alerted on. Okay, and then finally when you're done, you're going to click submit, that's down here, or sorry, not submit, save, that's down here on the screen. Okay. Finally, I'd like to share with you that they have a Family Access Toolkit. So there's a link here that you can go to, and it's got all sorts of different resources that you can check out. So there's videos and then other resources and just tons of information to help you get started and walking you through different ways that you can use Skyward. Right? So like always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and let us know. We're here to help you. Thanks. Bye.